Still overwhelmed by cleaning schedules that don't stick? Let's fix that. I'm Jacqueline from Home Reimagined. Today we'll be discussing what works and what doesn't work about creating a cleaning schedule. Plus, I'll be showing you how to create a cleaning routine that actually fits your life, not somebody else's. So let's dive on in. Most cleaning schedules fail for one big reason. They're built for ideal circumstances, not real life. They assume you have the time, energy, and the motivation every single day to do cleaning. And that's just not how life works, especially if you're juggling work, kids, pets, or just being a human. So here's how you build a schedule that actually works. Start by identifying what's hardest for you to stay on top of. Is it laundry, dishes, floors? Then think about your week. When do you have energy? When do you crash? What days do you have time, or days that you have no time at all? Coordinate more in-depth tasks on days that you actually have more flexibility, and lighter tasks on days that you do not. And for tasks that may be harder for you to stay on top of, cut them into pieces and spread them around the week to lighten your load. Make it work around your timeline, your family, and even your home needs. You don't need a color-coded command center. You need a routine that meets you where you are. Break it down. Seriously, big tasks become manageable when you split them into micro tasks. Think about each room in your home and consider the tasks that need to be done in those rooms. Write them all down and see what are quick tasks versus longer tasks. So then you can pair them together or prioritize what needs to be done weekly versus every other week or more than that. So instead of cleaning the whole bathroom, you'll end up with something more like this. Wipe counters and change towels on Monday, scrub toilets on Wednesday, and quick floor mops on Friday. Doing something is better than doing nothing. And oftentimes, doing everything is just not practical to do on a weekly basis. Cleaning routines don't stick because we try to do too much at once. But if you make it bite-sized, repeatable, and realistic, you'll actually do it. So set phone reminders. Use a cute checklist if that helps, or reward yourself. You're building habits, not chasing perfection. You can create a peaceful and simple home when your cleaning schedule works for you instead of against you. A tidy home that doesn't feel like a full-time job, it's not about doing it all. It's about doing enough consistently. Your space, your pace. That's how it works. If this helped you reimagine how your cleaning routine can actually fit your real life, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagined for more tips just like this. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest cleaning struggle right now? I'd love to be able to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.